This is our first bid.
Hi
Feb
guys,
15,
this is our
2025.
bid. First bid in YouTube. Today's topic is we're gonna play baseball. Palayuan to guys. Uy, saan natin papatong?
Diyan lang.
Dito na lang.
Hindi, medyo dapat paper po.
Huwag natin para hit yung bola.
Ano? Kaya hagis mo doon. Sa akin. Alam mo naman, di ba?
Guys, ako una. Ay, si Steven una guys. By height.
Ikaw maghagis.
Palayuan kami guys. No. Ito pa nga. Go!
Okay, that's far.
Wait lang.
Ouch! Ouch!
Second, it's me.
Gimme some time to think.
Go. Oh!
The hell?
Andito.
Ace, go na. English and Tagalog speaking.
Ano maghahabis? Pag hindi na tamaan, wala ah. Yes, okay. We're gonna announce the winners by first, second, third. And it's just by height. First, Steven. Second, me. Third, it's Ace. It's Ace. Sinay ko